toilet tank not filling right can totally mess up your morning routine and waste a bunch of water if you don't fix it quick. Alright, so first thing, check if the water supply valve behind the toilet is fully open. Sometimes it gets bumped or partially closed, and that stops water from flowing. Then, look inside the tank at the fill valve. If it's all crusty or gunked up, give it a good clean with some vinegar or a cloth to clear out any buildup. If cleaning doesn't cut it, swapping out the fill valve is usually pretty straightforward and won't cost a fortune. Don't forget to inspect the float. It's that little ball or cup that rises with the water level. Because if it's stuck or set too low, the tank won't fill properly. Adjusting the float height can often solve the problem without needing new parts. Also, check that the inlet valve isn't clogged up since sediment can block water flow over time. If you notice any cracks or leaks in these parts, replacing them is definitely the way to go. Once everything is sorted, flush a couple of times to make sure the tank fills smoothly and stops at the right level. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a toilet tank not filling issue is ignoring a partially closed water supply valve. This one's easy to fix just by turning it all the way open. Another common problem is not realizing the fill valve itself is worn out or broken, which means cleaning won't help and you really need to replace it. Lastly, folks often forget about the float adjustment. If it's set too low, the tank won't fill enough, so raising it can save you a lot of hassle without buying new parts. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors quickly without all the stress. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them directly with people looking for their services, making life easier for everyone involved.